Witchcraft is a nature-based magical practice. It's about connecting with the earth and the divine. It is about harnessing energy to create change. Witchcraft is a path of personal growth and empowerment. It is a way of life that honors the cycles of nature and the sacred within us all. Many people are drawn to witchcraft for its emphasis on self-discovery. Witchcraft encourages individuals to explore their own beliefs and values. It provides tools for healing, transformation, and manifestation. Witchcraft is a diverse and inclusive practice. There are many different traditions and paths within witchcraft. Some witches work with deities, while others focus on their own personal power. There is no one right way to practice witchcraft. Rituals are the backbone of witchcraft practice. They are ceremonies or actions performed with intention. They are used to connect with the divine, to honor the cycles of nature, and to bring about change in our lives. Rituals provide a framework for magical workings. They help us to focus our energy and intentions. By performing rituals, we tap into the power of the universe. We align ourselves with the flow of energy. Rituals can be simple or elaborate. They can be performed alone or in a group. The most important thing is that they are performed with intention and focus. Witchcraft rituals are a powerful way to connect with our inner selves and with the divine. There are many different types of witchcraft rituals. Some common types include healing rituals. These rituals are performed to promote healing in ourselves or others. They often involve herbs, crystals, and energy work. Protection rituals. These rituals are performed to protect ourselves, our loved ones, or our homes from harm. They may involve the use of protective herbs, symbols, or spells. Abundance rituals. These rituals are performed to attract abundance into our lives. This abundance can be financial, material, or spiritual. They may involve the use of crystals, candles, or specific incantations. These are just a few examples of the many types of witchcraft rituals. The specific rituals you perform will depend on your own needs and intentions. As you deepen your witchcraft practice, you will discover the rituals that resonate most with you. Here are the steps for performing a basic witchcraft ritual. Purification, cleanse yourself and your space. This can be done by taking a bath, smudging with sage, or simply visualizing yourself surrounded by white light. Casting a circle. Create a sacred space by casting a circle. This can be done by physically walking in a circle while visualizing a protective barrier of energy. The circle defines the ritual space as separate from the mundane world. Invocation. Call upon the elements, deities, or spiritual guides you wish to work with. This is a way of inviting these energies into your circle and asking for their assistance. State your intention. Clearly state the purpose of your ritual. What do you hope to achieve? Be specific and focused in your intention. Perform the ritual. This is where you will perform the specific actions of your ritual. This may involve lighting candles, chanting, meditating, or working with magical tools. Grounding. After the ritual, it's important to ground yourself. This can be done by eating something, drinking water, or simply sitting quietly for a few moments. Remember, rituals are personal and should be tailored to your own beliefs and needs. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you.